Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have x over 6 times x over 6. This is equals to 6 over x times 6 over x. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully in left hand side. Numerator is x times x. So this is x square and in denominator is 6 times 6, then here 6 square, and this is equals to, in right hand side here 6 times 6, so this is 6 square and divide by here x times x, this is x square. Now here we will apply cross multiply, then in left hand side x square times x square, this is equals to, in right hand side 6 square times 6 square. Now we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x square, this is equals to a, and 6 square, this is equals to b. Then in left hand side x square is replaced by a times this x square is replaced by a, and this is equals to 6 square replaced by b times this 6 square is replaced by b. A times a is a square, and in right hand side b times b is b square. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then this is a square minus b square, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we have difference between two squares, and we know that factor of a square minus b square is a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here value of a is x square and value of b is 6 square. So this a is replaced by x square plus b is replaced by 6 square, and this a is replaced by x square minus b is replaced by 6 square, and this is equals to 0. Now here we will apply this rule. If a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. This expression is a and this expression is b, and here if we apply this rule, then you can say x square plus 6 square, this is equals to 0, or x square minus 6 square, this is equals to 0. Let's say this is case first and this is case second. So first here we will solve case first. Case first, x square plus 6 square, this is equals to 0. Here x square plus 6 square is 36, and this is equals to 0. Now x square and this 36, if we take right hand side, then this is minus 36. Now here we will apply this rule. If a square, this is equals to b, this implies a is equals to plus minus square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then you can say x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 36. Then x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 36 is same as minus 1 times 36. Then x is equals to plus minus, this expression is same as square root of minus 1 times square root of 36. Then x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 1 is iota, and square root of 36 is 6 square, and square root is cancelled out by this square, then x is equals to plus minus 6 times iota. So here first solution x1, this is equals to plus 6 iota, and second solution x2, this is equals to minus 6 iota. Now solve case second. Case second. Case second is x square minus 6 square. This is equals to 0. Here we will apply substitution, and if we substitute x is equals to a and 6 is equals to b, then in left hand side x is replaced by a square minus 6 is replaced by b square, and this is equals to 0. We know that factor of a square minus b square is a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Value of a is x and value of b is 6. So a is replaced by x plus b is replaced by 6, and here a is replaced by x minus b is replaced by 6, and this is equals to 0. Here let's say this expression is a and this expression is b. If we apply this rule, if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then you can say x plus 6, this is equals to 0, or x minus 6, this is equals to 0. Then value of x is equals to minus 6, or value of x here 6. So here our third solution x3, this is equals to minus 6, and fourth solution x4, this is equals to 6. In this question we have two real solutions and two imaginary solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.